Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove login icon from your Shopify store. As you can see here in my store, I have the login icon. If you click on it, you'll have an option to sign in. Now to remove that, go to your Shopify dashboard and click on settings on the lower left corner. Once in, go to customer accounts. Here, you'll see show login links in the header of online store and at checkout. As you can see, it is on. So what you need to do is to just toggle it off. Once done, go again to your dashboard and click on online store. Now, click customize beside your store. And as you can see now, the login icon is removed from the top of your Shopify. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.